Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping one wall section and creating the paste. Apply cleaner, sand glossy spots, and remove any loose paint so the paper adheres. Once done, measure and cut strips allowing for pattern match and a 2-3 cm top and bottom overlap. Mix adhesive to the specified strength because too thin paste causes slipping while too thick resists smoothing. Apply paste evenly for unpasted paper. For pre-pasted, activate per label. Make sure to maintain vertical plumb lines before hanging the first strip. You now hang the first strip using the plumb line as your guide so subsequent strips stay straight. Once aligned at the top, press gently and smooth outward with a brush or squeegee to remove air bubbles and excess paste. This prevents blisters and improves adhesion. Trim the overlapped edges at ceiling and base with a sharp blade. Then, butt the next strip to the previous edge. Matching pattern repeats. Use a seam roller sparingly on vinyl to ensure a tight joint without crushing the texture. You finish by wiping seams and paste with a damp sponge so you don't stain the surface. Make sure to blot, not scrub. Trim around outlets and corners with small snips and reinstall moldings to conceal edges. If an edge lifts later, press it back and use a small syringe to inject paste behind the lift or apply seam adhesive to bond. For bubbles that remain, lift to the nearest seam and resmooth. Otherwise, puncture tiny bubbles and smooth paste out from the hole to remove air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.